We got these to try because they reminded us of the fish ice cream sandwiches we've had in the past. I got the strawberry kind, strawberry flavor, chocolate wafer, like a wafer cookie. And Aaron got the what looks like chocolate. It comes in a little tray. They're so cute.
It's just like the ice cream sandwich.
It smells so strawberry.
Wow.
It's weird. I don't know if you've ever had an Aero bar. They're one of Aaron's favorites.
That was my first thought.
Consistency of the strawberry filling inside of this reminds me of an Aero bar.
Yes.
We got